front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, launch settings and scroll to click on security and privacy. Then click on this section here called Screen Lock and Biometrics under Additional Security Settings, and when you're ready, enter your current login method to continue. Now, select Face Recognition under Biometrics, hit Continue, choose Register, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen while waiting for 100% mark. Then manage all of those options however you wish, like require open eyes, but make sure this switcher next to face unlock is blue. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. Either way, let's check out if it worked. I can see that face is added here, so when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!